Namaste children, welcome to today math class. Children, last class we learned about Karunya story, Tulasi story about multiplications. And today class we have about Satish story. Let us see about this Satish story. Satish is a 13 years old boy. His father had taken a loan for farming, but the crops are failed. So he took the loan, but crops are failed. I think so. He is not in the position to pay the loan amount. Let's see what will happen. Now Satish's mother has to pay 5,000 rupees every month for the loan. So he took the loan, crops are failed, so they have to pay 5,000 rupees for every month. Satish started working. He looked after 17 goats of the village. So they have to pay 5,000 rupees and crops are failed. So because of that, Satish started working and he's looked after 17 goats of that village. He earns rupees 1 every day for one goat. For one goat, he will get 1 rupees. For 5 goats, 5 rupees. 17 goats, 17 rupees. Now what is Satish's salary per day? 17 rupees. How much will he earn in 1 month? So 1 day 17 rupees. Then what is his 1 month salary? Does he earn enough to help pay the loan every month? How much will he earn in 1 year? Let us see these problems based on about Satish story. So here we understood that they have to pay 5,000 rupees for every month. Satish is going to earn 17 rupees per day. Let's see these questions. Yes, as I said here, Satish is 13 years old. Her mother has to pay 5,000 rupees every month. Then he decided to work. He started working. He's looked after 17 goats. How many goats? 17 goats. What is the amount every day for one goat? For one goat per day 1 rupees. One goat 1 rupees. Like 10 goats 10 rupees. 17 goats 17 into 1 rupee which equal 17 rupees. So we'll write here now solution. Satish 1 day salary. Satish 1 day salary is equal to 17 goats into 1 rupee for each goat is equal to how much? Rupees 17. His salary per 1 day is 17 rupees. Now let us answer this first one. How much will he earn in 1 month? So Satish's salary for 1 month. For 1 month. Here we can write 1 month is nothing but how many days? We will take generally 30 days. 1 month is 30 days. We have to find out. If 1 day salary is 17 rupees, what is the salary of 30 days? How can I find? Sir, 1 day 17 rupees. If it is 2 days, 17 into 2, 34. If it is 10 days, 17 into 10, 170 rupees. If it is 30 days, 17 into 30. 1 day salary into number of days. We'll get the salary of Satish for 30 days. Now we can find by multiplication method. 17 into 30. You can multiply this both. 17 rupees into 30. So 17 0 is 0. 17 into 3. 3 7 is 21. 1 2 carry. 3 1 is 3. 3 1 is 3 plus 2 5. 510 rupees. So rupees 510. Satish 1 month salary is 510 rupees. Let us see second one. Does he earn enough to help every month? Actually loan amount is 5,000 rupees but he is getting only 510 rupees. He doesn't earn enough to help the loan every month. We can write the answer. No. Does he earn enough to help the loan every month? No, it's not sufficient. This 510 rupees is not sufficient to pay that 5000 rupees loan. 5000 rupees loan amount. Let's see third one. How much will he earn in 1 year? So number of days in 1 year. Number of days. Number of days in 1 year is equal. How many days beta 1 year? 365 days. Already we know 1 day salary is 17 rupees. If the 1 day salary is 17 rupees, what is the salary of 365 rupees? We need to multiply 365 into 17. So we can write now Satish salary. Satish salary for 1 year. Satish salary for 1 year is equal to. So 1 day amount is what? Total 365 days into 1 day salary is rupees 17. Multiply this both, will get the salary of Satish for 1 year. Let us multiply this both. 365 into 17. So let us multiply Vela method. 17 she will divide 10 plus 7. 10 plus 7. So first 365 we need to multiply with 7. Again 365 multiply with 10. 365 multiply with 7. Again 365 multiply with 10. 7 5 is 35. 5 3 carry. 7 6 is 42. 42 plus 3 45. 5 4 carry. 7 3 is 21. 21 plus 4 25. So first it has 0, immediately place 0. Now 365 multiply with 1. 1 5 is 5. 1 6 is 6. 1 3 is 3. 5. 5 plus 5 10. 0 1 carry. 6 plus 6 12. 2 1 carry. 1 plus 2 3. 3 plus 3 6. 6,205 rupees. Rupees 6,205. This about Satish 1 year salary. Hope it is clear to all. Children, here we have one story about Kamala Bai. To help farmers, the state government gave cows like a scheme. Kamala Bai Ghade also got a cow. The cost of cow was 17,500 rupees. She had to pay 5,500 rupees and government spent the rest of the money. Actually, the total cost of the cow was 17,500 rupees. Out of 17,500, Kamala Bai has to pay only 5,500. The balance amount government is going to pay. How much did the government spend on the cow? If 9 people from our village got cows, how much did government spend in all? First we have to find how much government is going to spend for one cow. After getting that amount, by multiplying with 9, we'll get the amount. But Kamala Bai was not happy. 17,500 worth cow, government gave only for 5,500. Though Kamala Bai is not happy, it seems. Let's see why she is not happy. She had to spend 85 rupees every day on the cow. Sir, why she is going to send 85 rupees for every day for one cow? To give the food. For whom? For cow. She made some money by selling the milk, but still she wanted to sell the cow. She is going to spend 85 rupees to give the food for one cow per day, it seems. And she is getting some amount by selling the milk. Though she is not happy, still she wants to sell the cow. If Kamala Bai spends 85 rupees a day, find out how much she will spend 1 month. The cow gives 8 liter milk every day. How much will it give in 1 month? We have to find all this. If the milk is sold 9 rupees per liter, how much money will Kamala Bai make in 1 month? So let us answer all these questions. It's clear to you? Actually the total cost of the cow was 17,500. Out of 17,500, Kamala Bai has to pay only 5,500. The rest of the amount is paid by government. Let's see some problems based on this Kamala Bai story, and we'll see why she is not happy and why she is interested to sell the cow. Yes, you can see what are some questions we have from about Kamala Bai stories. Cost of one cow is equal to 17,500. Amount Kamala has to pay is equal to rupees 5,500. Out of 17,500, 5,500 is going to pay by Kamala, and the rest of the amount government will pay it since. How can I find the rest of the amount? From 17,500, you can subtract this 5,500. The balance amount is going to pay by government. How much did government spend on the cow? So let us answer the first question. Government spent on the cow amount government spent on one cow is equal to know this answer. We need to subtract 17,500 minus 5,500 from total amount. We need to subtract the amount paid by Kamala. The rest of the amount is going to pay by government. You can see better here, 500 minus 500, 17,000 minus 5,500, which is 12,000. How much better? 12,000. 12,000 plus 5, 17,500. Yes. You can go with subtraction, you will get the result is 12,000. So for one cow, government is going to spend 12,000 rupees. If 9 people got cows, how much did government spend in all? So for one cow, government is going to spend 12,000 rupees. Then what is the amount spent by government for 9 cows? 9 people got cows. So one person, one cow. 9 people means 9 cows. The amount spent by government for one cow is equal to 12,000 rupees. Then what is the amount spent by 9 cows? What is the amount spent by government for 9 cows? Let us answer this second question. So total number of cows, we can write here now. Number of cows is equal to how much? 9. And we can write amount spent by government. Amount spent by government for one cow is equal to 12,000 rupees. 12,000 rupees. So we can write down amount spent for 9 cows. We have to multiply the amount spent for one cow, which is rupees 12,000, into 9. And multiply this. 12 9s are 108, and here we have 3 zeros. Now which is 1,08,000 rupees. 1,08,000 rupees. This is the amount spent by government for how many cows better? For 9 cows. Let us answer. Amount she spent for one cow 85 rupees per day to give the food for cow. Kamala is going to spend 85 rupees per day it seems. Find how much she will spend in 1 month. We can write amount spent by Kamala. Amount spent by Kamala for how many days? Find how much she will spend in 1 month. Kamala for 1 month is equal to this we have to find. So we know 1 month is nothing but 30 days. So what is the amount she is going to spend for 1 day? For 1 day she is going to spend 85 rupees per day. 1 day 85 rupees, 30 days what is the amount? So we can find here rupees 85 into 30. You can multiply this. 0 we can keep first. 3 5 is 15. 5 1 carry. 3 8 is 24 plus 1. 3 8 is 24 plus 1 25. So 2550. 2550. This is the amount going to spend by Kamala for 1 month. Next we can see here now fourth bit. The cow gives 8 liters of milk every day. How much will it give in 1 month? So let us answer fourth bit. Cow gives 8 liters milk for every day. The quantity of milk it gives per day. The quantity of milk it gives per day is equal to how many liters? 8 liters. How much will it give in 1 month? We can write here now. Quantity of milk it gives for 1 month. So 1 month is nothing but 30 days. See but here 1 day 8 liters, 50 days like 2 days, 2 into 8 16 liters, 30 days 30 into 8. You can multiply here 30 days into 8 liters, which gives us 240 liters. How many liters? 240 liters. Let us see fifth bit. If the milk sold 9 rupees per liter, how much money will Kamala Bai make in 1 month? So the cost of 1 liter milk is equal to how much? 9 rupees. Fifth bit. They said the cost of 1 liter milk. Cost of 1 liter milk is equal to 9 rupees. Money will get Kamala Bai 1 month. Now per 1 month she is going to sell how many liters? 240 liters. Per 1 liter 9 rupees. For 240 liters we need to find. Now cost of 240 liters. We'll write here now amount she will get. Amount she gets by selling the milk for 1 month is equal. So per month she is going to sell 240 liters and the cost of each liter is 9 rupees. So let us multiply this. 9 0 0, 9 4 36, 6 3 carry. 9 2 18, 18 plus 3 21. So 2160 rupees. Next we can see better. Sixth one, money she spent on keeping the cow. So per 1 month, how much amount she is going to spend? Amount spent by Kamala for 1 month. For 1 month, her expenditure is 2550 rupees. For 1 month, her expenditure is 2550 rupees. Next, money earned by selling the milk. Per 1 month, by selling the milk, she is going to earn 2160 rupees. 2160 rupees. Which is more? I mean, the amount she spent is more or the amount she earned is more? The amount she spent is 2550 rupees and the amount she earned is 2160 rupees. Now we can see here the amount she spent 2550 is more than the amount she earned 2160. Yes, eighth one we can write answer. The amount she spent is more than the amount she earned. More than the amount she earned. Why she wanted to sell the cow? Incoming is less and expenditure is more. Income is 2160 and the expenditure on the cow is 2550. The expenditure is more than income. The amount she is going to spend for cow is 2550. The amount she is getting from the cow by selling the milk is 2160. So expenditure is more, income is less. Because of that reason, she want to sell the cow. We can write because of that. The amount she spent is more than amount she earned. Because of that, she want to. What she want to do? She want to sell the cow. She want to sell the cow. So this is about Kamalabai story, which is about multiplication. Hope this one is clear to all.